In this video, I'm going to talk about CIS30A Lab 2 Exercise 23. Given the problem that the Hernandez family has 5 children, Pablo, Lila, Jorge, Carla, and Samuel. Use the Python list to display each of the child full name. Notice that the problem give us the first name and also the last name as a separate area here. What we need to do is we need to append the last name with the first name. So to write that program is pretty straightforward. First we have names or first names, and that will be a list of all the children's first name. Then we would have a for loop. We can say for I, for the element in the range of the entire length of the names. We would access and add the Hernandez, which is our last name, to each of the name. So first we're going to access Pablo, and then we're going to go ahead and concatenate that with Hernandez. And notice that I'm using the white blank space here, so that way it's when it concatenate, it's still going to have that blank space, so it's not stuck together. And then we're going to print names. So this one is an easier program where we simply just use a for loop, and then we're going to go ahead and update the list names by adding Hernandez to each of the string. So here we would have Pablo Hernandez, Leila Hernandez, Jorge Hernandez, Carla Hernandez, and Samuel Hernandez. And with that, you can see how we can use a for loop and concatenation with our list to be able to update first and last name into the entire list. And this concludes my tutorial video for CIS30A Lab 2 Exercise 23.